Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal prepare £200,000 weekly wages to bring Gabriel Jesus to Arsenal. So now monitoring spiritual they call the Daily Mail and the Sun. Now they're going to give us this update. Say Arsenal they try to double Gabriel Jesus wages because waiting the end for Man City presently now £100,000 per week. So they won't double them for them. They know say they're serious. They know they play yet. So Gabriel Jesus don't come outside officially. They don't talk say by Tuesday. Saying go let the whole world know what him don't make plan how in future go you get. So now what Baba they talk say we go see waiting the best for in career you get. So that one said another monitoring spiritual they call Metro. Now let us know that one. So the guy don't come out officially because like say the international games say when they play, like say don't they come to completion. So you say we can let us know how things they go. Well, it go good men self let us know more whether the guy now really our realistic target. Even though we self they go all out. So one signer, you get. She ain't really interested in joining us. Now agents just they give us hope. Pelinati they talk say, hey, the guy like our project, kinikon. Oh, we watch as everything will turn out. About Sassuolo don't come outside say that they demand £45 million get for Gianluca De Scamacca if Arsenal won't sign up. I just say this guy is 23-year-old, so he fits the age range where Mikel Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and Richard Garlick they really say okay, we are going to bring in for Arsenal. You get so the guy said he scored 16 goals in 38 games. Some people were saying, "Hey, the guy is a prolific striker. Is he good enough?" Somebody that is playing for Sassuolo. We see them know they as creative as Arsenal. He's scoring 16 goals in 38 matches. What do you think will now happen if it comes to an Arsenal? We see chances they throw like water now finisher will not get. This guy is tipped to be the next Ibrahimovic of Syria with his dominating height. The guy is very good in the air. So not be everybody will be like Gabriel Jesus. We got signed different dimension of striker. So if you need a striker for the cross and not for the wiping shots, the guy is very good, fast, skillful. He did very good. So now just because in the play for Sassuolo, that's why many people know they too the reason they matter, but the guy is good. Away from that, so Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside call the talk say Arsenal been they keen to sign Hugo Ekitike from Reims. But the problem come to say before them go say Newcastle already agree terms with the guy, they already agree. Even Reims president they come outside say they don't agree a deal in principle like 30 million euros for Hugo Ekitike. And the guy that they talking now be the next Mbappe for France. Well, maybe the guy that come England now, we'll see as everything goes up. Gianluigi Longari will be one of our super monitoring spirits, guy and transfer expert. So Baba come and say I call the talk say Arsenal and Manchester United they interested in signing Rafinha. And say for Arsenal especially, say Arsenal won't use Rafinha to replace Pepe. You get that's going to be very good. And so we self with this plan how we take carry Cody Gakpo self come to come replace Pepe. You get, but I never know how this one will go, whether it will even work because Rafinha coming to Emirates, if it is possible, if it happen or more, a mad transfer deal it will be because that flank it will mad. But Rafinha get present, Rafinha be like Zaha. You did very good. Yes, if you do for that flank one-on-one, anybody will kill him. The guy did good. I'm also a monitoring spirit that they call the Sun. Say come outside, they let us know say Arteta don't they plan to buy only 3 players. Say in the pull back on major signings again. Because many people they talk say Arteta won't sign like maybe 7 players, 6 players, 5 players. But from within their sources they tell them say Arteta won't make just 3 major signings. If this one can be saying that true or more, it don't make sense because when you're talking about 3 major signings, where are they going to be? Let's remove 2 strikers. Now one person called man. Are you just going to sign 2 strikers and 1 central midfielder? What happens to the left back? At the same time, what happens to the right wing forward? You get. So I don't think say this one they very realistic. I think it's just I don't think say they realistic because if you don't need a Babalawo or a Superman to come tell you say the problem with Arsenal get now, they need at least 2 strikers with different profile, 2 profiles of striker, one to replace Aubameyang, one to replace Lacazette. Then you need 1 winger, a right winger, to replace a Pepe so that it will give Saka competition and give Saka more breathing space. So then to feed the rest. At the same time, you need a left back. You don't need somebody, a spiritualist, to tell you now. You need a left back. You need a So I need a central midfielder to command the creative role solely on Odegaard. Need somebody who can give him assistance. Even you still need a defensive midfielder. You don't need a Babalawo to tell you say you need all these things. So coming out to tell me that you just need just 3, I don't believe that. Then our monetary spirit they call Fisherless. Don't come aside. They let us know say Arsenal. Then they prepare £30 million offer for Yuri Tillemans of Leicester City. I know say before we were seeing that £25 million offer. They won't offer them like a bid. Say okay, we won't buy this guy. But now don't they say because now £30 million. And don't forget that Yuri Tillemans has 13 months left on his Leicester contract again. So I don't say then 7 I'm confirmed. Please don't confirm and say the guy they leave. So the question now be say where is he going to? Is he going to a Manchester United who needs a midfielder badly, or is he going to an Arsenal? Where is he going to? We never really know, because two of us na Europa League would give the guy. Manchester United get a new coach, Ten Hag. So whether Ten Hag like the guy, but we will not say Arsenal like him. And from all indicators, the year say the guy himself will prefer Arsenal over a Manchester United, because Arsenal now they don't do that rebuilding phase per se. They don't come up for rebuilding phase. But Manchester United, they are rebuilding go mad. They come on like 10 players. So next season, they will see like this. Next season, the two will see this season, who will survive. They will see next season and they no go survive. But when they watch as everything will turn out. Our Bukayo Saka they enjoy training with England and they continue their Nations Cup. So well, they did very good. I see the guy when they give Alexander Arnold some kind of dribbling skills, they dribble the guy. Well, they happy even though England lose their first match, they lose 1-0. Well, it is what it is. Players are hungry and wipe them 1-0. Now Dominic Szoboszlai, now score penalty where England they lose. Well, it is what it is. But they watch as things they go. Charlie Watt don't come outside call the talk say Arsenal they look at 3 players for that midfield. They look at Yuri Tillemans, they look at Ruben Neves. At the same time they consider Zinchenko, but their first 2 priorities now be that Yuri Tillemans and Ruben Neves. And Charlie Watt don't come outside let anything like this confirm like that's for again. So me I believe the guy died. So more just the watch as things go down. I know say central midfielder is very paramount. That's important. And if we sign any of the 2, Ruben Neves and Yuri Tillemans, it will go a long way. It makes sense for him. Our Gazzetta dello Sport said don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal they prepare a second offer for Gianluca Scamacca, because the first offer will offer make sense, go well. So now we'll prepare a second bid. How much it will be? We never really know whether we'll match that £45 million valuation. That should be the case. Now that should be the ideal thing, because they don't offer 30 something, they say no, come back again. That's like the first offer to test the waters. We don't test and say it no make sense. Just go there, pay the money. You could know to the price. All the different 30 something, 40 something. Go there, pay, and before you know now, others will come and look the guy say how much. Before you know, Newcastle don't come for that time, because Newcastle money will be their problem. We money our problem. Okay, that's the difference between the 2 teams. So we just go there, closer. If you can pay £50 million to buy Ben White, you can pay £45 million to buy Gianluca Scamacca if you really need him. And you want to pay 50-something million pounds to go and buy Gabriel Jesus. Oga, closer off the money, carry player made it go house. Our Calcio Mercato self don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal don't withdraw from signing Osimhen. Say the price they too much. Get I be telling us to pay something like £85 million and above for this guy. No. Say it did too much. We are not that desperate. Get so it go make sense. Say that money we just carry and ask more money. Carry Gianluca Scamacca, carry Gabriel Jesus. They go house. Go enjoy them, because people like Manchester United and people like Newcastle, and then can't take over the race to sign Osimhen, especially Newcastle. Newcastle don't they ask them say how much. Even Manchester United self don't put a call to Napoli say how much I say with this guy. No, because Mr. Eric Ten Hag self they find number 9. Blessing and flank you want use Ronaldo, then go put the number 9 there. Well, any which I won't be. Me, I'm not talking from the onset say that Osimhen price it did too much. Our Paul Merson said done the back Ben White to be Arsenal captain. So Baba they talk say Arsenal need a player who will lead on the pitch, and say Ben White if we do that kind of thing for the middle of the park. You get say it will make sense for the pitch, make them use him as captain. And don't forget say people like Ramsey, people like Granit Xhaka did the back Odegaard to be the captain. And also they go nominate some kind of players, then the players go get internal votes to decide who go be their leader on the field of play. Well, anyhow it go be. So between maybe Ben White, maybe Odegaard, who you go give? Ben White, I don't think he don't be captain before, but Odegaard has always been Norway captain, so he get that experience. And instead of captain Arsenal a few times, so well, we never know who he will be. Whoever he won't be, I don't think the person will lead us well. Ronald Murphy will be one of the journalists who they work for BILD for Germany. So Baba don't come outside, they tell us say Arsenal and they interested in signing Serge Gnabry, and this one according to Sky Sport Germany. So the guy have been one of the first journalists who they come outside officially. They let us know say Arsenal they interested. This one no be shire. You say not too long ago, Charlie was they let us know say Serge Gnabry deal. No be say Arsenal they interested. So now just fans get wishful thinking that we just they think because no, just even Fabrizio, even Gianluca Di Marzio, nobody don't come outside talk say okay Arsenal they go for this guy. Now this Rona now the first person when they come outside say true Arsenal they interested in signing Serge Gnabry because Bayern don't come outside say they know they give him any other contract extension moving forward. So well it good so they interested in the guy. With the remain now how much we go fit offer them because I think at that kind of £40 million go collect this guy if we offer them we go collect him. Paul Messi himself don't come outside again, come the back Ramsdale for player of the season. Say the guy did very exceptional for Arsenal. Say he play very well. Say even when they won't buy Ramsdale, say even for those we say why they go sign player with the shipping goals anyhow for Bournemouth and Sheffield. Then the guy come put in mad performances with them and say shut up your mouth bro, shut up. Ramsdale help and shut him out up. Say the guy made some kind of mad say if not for Ramsdale only God know where our season for this because the guy was an upgrade to Leno, and that's what it's supposed to be. If you get some kind of players where the hill say this player is good, the boy is good, but in the future bring somebody that will be his upgrade. See the way we get Saka now, everybody they praise Saka. She may not be our gem, may not be our diamond. He's scoring 12 goals. Bring an upgrade. I will score 18 goals per season. I will score 20 goals per season. You get that is what is called upgrade. Don't go bring somebody with Saka pass. You get bring somebody with passer. That's how it's supposed to be. So if that person enter back. Imagine bringing somebody with pass Saka, person enter back. Come on the person, when they put Saka, when they say Saka on you, and another one riot. How you go be now? You go really happy now. That's it just be. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as it drop all over the world. So enjoy the rest of your Sunday. CHUKS signing out. And them out.